I have pretty paper pieces for you, and I've got layers of things. Let me start with this. This is a pack of 30 pieces of 6x6 textured cardstock, and you just simply tear them out and look at all the wonderful colors. In addition, they are this kind of a linen weave, a very gentle embossing on top of them, and just gorgeous. Now, these are white on the back side, so that means should you elect to do embossing folders, you can sand those and the white will show and it will be very dramatic. And all these colors I'm showing you, you're going to get 2 of each one. So there are 30 pieces in this collection. This, by the way, is a Paper Wishes exclusive. So let me tuck those in. In addition, we're adding the red velvet pack. Now, supplies are very limited. There are 24 double-sided papers, and they are just wonderful, as you can see. They are 6x6 also, and they're just gorgeous, just absolutely wonderful. Inside the book, we will even give you some ideas for using them. So we give you that, 24 sheets. Then we have Rhapsody. There are 12 papers. They are double-sided, and you can see they're all over prints. They are smaller prints, except for this large one, although the center area is a small print. And then as I turn it over, you can see more dots. We've got stripes. We have kind of a tone-on-tone in black, so very useful. Now, what can you do with all of these papers? Well, we have an idea for that too. How about templates? How about doing some paper patchwork? Now, with the templates, it makes it super, super easy. So let me show you. This is paper patchwork number 2. This is a card, and it is made so easy by using the steps in the template. And we'll show you how, because all the directions are on them. But you see, usually when you're doing paper piecing, you are cutting every single one out. Quilters, you know what I'm talking about. And then you have to fit them perfectly. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a little challenging for me. What I love is that the template makes it so easy, because you can do, like to make this pinwheel, you do one paper out of this design, and that's what we did with the pink, another paper out of this, that's what we did with the black dot, and then it goes on top of the pink gingham. So you layer these after you've cut them out, and you get a look like that. Very, very gorgeous. And doing this card trick, which I think is really fun. We've got this piece, which was cut out of the purple, then this piece was cut out of pink gingham, and then this kind of little L was cut twice out of this white floral paper, layered on top of each other, and this is what you get. Do it multiple times, and you get a card like this. So you can just do one, put it in the center, or go crazy and do a bunch of them. Now that's just 2 of the pieces. This is paper patchwork number 2. Paper patchwork number 1 is the same idea, so simple to make those intricate paper patchwork looks, but the template makes it super easy. Now, what else do we have? Well, how about iris folding? Now, this is iris folding number 2, and as you probably know, you have the outline that you're going to cut out of your card front, and then this is the pattern for putting all of those pieces together to make it look like this. Now, you can certainly, the traditional method is to take paper and fold it, and you've got these strips that you simply put in the numbered sequence to make this look, this iris folding look. If you're using that cardstock, you can just use the cardstock singly and not bother about folding it. That will save you a little bit of time. So this has the jar of love, the pretty bird, the flower, as well as a fern. Very nice for making masculine cards. So we have that iris folding too. And then we have Teresa's iris folding too. It's totally different. And Teresa has these hearts, as you can see. And she also has, well, you can do them in different colors, and it gets such a very different look. Same idea, you're going to cut the evacuated shape out of your card front and do your layering on the back side of it simply by following this universal pattern. And here is this one, just absolutely beautiful. In fact, that is using the red velvet papers, so that's a beautiful look. And all 4 of these, so iris folding, paper patchwork, you're getting all 4 of those templates. You are getting 30 of the textured embossed cardstock, 24 of the red velvet, and 12 of the Rhapsody papers. So all of those together is almost a $50 value for all of this. But today, and I do have to say today only, $15.99. Yes, I'm all choked up. It's $15.99, and it can be yours today, but not tomorrow at this price anyway. And I just encourage you, if you love this and you want all of this creativity, it can be yours today only.